In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the startup sound that plays whenever you boot up or power on your MacBook. So if you're wanting to do this for whatever reason, what you want to do is open up System Preferences or System Settings, which is this gear icon here. If you need to, you can go to your Spotlight search and then type in System Settings or just the word Settings, and it will take you here to your settings. Over on the left-hand side, you're going to see a number of different settings. We want to scroll down to where we see the one that says Sound. Click the one that says Sound. Once here, under Sound Effects, about midway down, you'll see something that says Play Sound on Startup. That will be over to the right and green. If you check that one time, it'll be over to the left and grayed out. Now, whenever you exit out of System Settings and boot up your MacBook the next time, you will not hear that chime. It will be automatically disabled. You can always go back to the system settings and re-enable that if you ever want to in a future date in the same place in the settings. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.